Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 231 of Surah Al-Baqarah and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا طلقتم النساء فبلغن أجلهن فأمسكوهن ومخرج of voice circling your lips with a top on your jaws. E Hamza is sharp sound, no flow of sound. For Kasra give E sound. E the 2 counts long. Qa is heavy and it has itlaq. You lift your tongue up, paste it on the palate and attach with lam. Qal and lam will be light and give tawassut on lam. Qallaq. Lam is light. For fatha upon jaws, attach with qaf. Qaf will be heavy. Qaf has qalqala. Laq. 2 for the ma circle ellipse. The sound is short. Mun for the ma circle ellipse. Attach with noon. Noon will get sifaf punna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni for kasra give e sound. Sa mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. A for fatha upon jaws, the sound of hamza is sharp. Fa give hamsin fa. Ba for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Law lam is light. For fatha upon jaws, as you will touch a ghain, you will give rakhawa, it is heavy. Law na for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short on noon. A hamza is sharp. Ja for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hun for the ma circle lips, attach with noon. As you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position. And noon has gunna. Hun. This is gunna. And with fatha, the sound is short. Na. Fa. Give hamsin fa for fatha upon jaws. Hamza is sharp. For fatha upon jaws, attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. C for kasra, give e sound. Ku for the ma circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Hun for the ma circle ellipse, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of punna. This is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. B for kasra, give e sound. Ma for fatha upon jaws, attach with the ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. And ain should be from your throat nicely. Uru, lift your tongue up to make raw heavy. Whenever raw is with dam or fatha, it is heavy. Here it is heavy and it is 2 count long. Uru, fin, hukmuhu, the hukum here is idhar and sifais tawassut. Fin, Aw, hamza is sharp or fatha upon jaws attached with waw. And this waw is lean. When you're attaching fatha with waw, you're making it soft. Aw, said for fatha upon jaws attached with ra, and ra will be light. And ra will get sifa of tawassut part. Ri for kasra, give e sound. And ra is light. Hu for the ma circle lips, and ha should be from your throat nicely. Make it 2 counts long. Hunna. B for kasra, give e sound. Ma'roof. Because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lissakoon. Wa makhraj of waw, circling your lips, fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. La 2 counts long. Tum for the ma circle lips. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Meme will get sifa of tawassut. C for kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. Ku for the ma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Hunna. Li, God is heavy. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. Ra. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. And it is 2 counts long here. Ral. For fatha upon jaws attached with lam, this is idgham without guna, so you're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Li for kasra, give e sound, the sound is short. Ta for fatha upon jaws attached with ain, ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat nicely. Ta for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short and sharp. Do for dhamma circle, make it 2 counts long. Wa مخرج of circling your lips بفتحة open jaws. may إدغام غنة, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. if بفتحة open jaws attached فا will get صفة رخاوة. عين from your throat بفتحة open jaws attached لام will get صفة توسط. the 2 counts long. لي focus give E sound. ك بفتحة open jaws. ف give hams in فا بفتحة open jaws. قاد بفتحة open jaws attached دال will be light and دال will get صفة of قلقلة. قاد the is heavy and it has a back. The sound is short with fatha. The la for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Naf fa has rakhawa. Sa for fatha open jaws, and because of the spark, you are giving sakoon here. Because of the sakoon, ha will get sifa off rakhawa now. نفسه ومخرج of vowel circling your lips فتح open jaws. لا 2 comes long. that both tas have shidda sound. No flow of sound will be there. that ta for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. with fatha khi is heavy. For kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Dhu for dhamma circle lips, make it 4 counts long because this is munfasil jaiz. 2 counts long. Yeah is soft, make it 2 counts long. Till lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Till la lafz jalala is always long. He for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Who for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Zu for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Wa 2 counts long. Mad I was making it 2 counts long. When for fatha open jaws attached with dal will get sifa for khawa. Ku for the circle ellipse, the sound is short and light. Uru ra is heavy. For the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give e sound attached with ain will get sifa of tawasut, and ain should be from your throat. Ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Tello ta is light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Tello lafz jalala is always long. He for kasra give e sound. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Lay this ya is lean, so when you are attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut, and as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ma mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 counts long. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with noon. This is ikhfa. Yeah, for ikhfa, this ikhfa is light because za is among light letter, and you're keeping your tongue straight while you're creating ikhfa, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. The most important part of ikhfa is gunna, so you make sure that you keep the sound in your nose. Z for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Lay lean, make it soft. Kum for the circle ellipse attached meme. This is idgham shafawi, so you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kum mi for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha open jaws attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ki for kasra give e sound. Ta sharp sound, make it 2 counts long. B for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Well makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha open jaws attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hik ha from your throat with hams for kasra give e sound attached with kaf will get sifa of hams. Hik ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. T for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Yeah for fatha open jaws, the sound is short and light. Ain from your throat for kasra give e sound. Vu for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with this meme, but here is إخفاء شفوي. إخفاء شفوي is going on. إخفاء, you're keeping the sound in your nose. Kum bi. Because of this fuck, we are giving sukoon on ha. This sukoon will bring rakhawa on ha now. Bi. What? مخرج of power circle in your lips بفتحة open jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of shidda. There will be no flow of sound. What? Ta بفتحة open jaws. The sound is short. Allah. Qaf is heavy. Lafz jalala will be heavy too because there is the ma before it. And lafz jalala is always long. Allah. Ha بفتحة open jaws. The sound is short. Wa. مخرج of power circle in your lips بفتحة open jaws attached with ayn. Ayn will get sifa of tawassut. And ayn should be from your throat nicely. Wa. La بفتحة open jaws. Mu. Mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long. And hamza is sharp بفتحة open jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nallah. Noon is light. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. La, 2 counts long. Ha, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Vi, for kasra give e sound. Kul, for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasat, and as you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Li, for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Shay, ya is soft. When you are attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. In ruling is إظهار and suffice tawassut. Ayn from your throat, papa top on jaws. Li. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. وَإِذَا طَلَّقْتُمُ النِّسَاءَ فَبَلَغْنَ أَجَلَهُنَّ فَأَمْسِكُوهُنَّ بِمَعْرُوفٍ أَوْ سَرِّحُوهُنَّ بمعروف ولا تمسكوهن ضرارا لتعتدوا ومن يفعل ذلك فقد ظلم نفسه ولا تتخذوا آيات الله هزوا واذكروا نعمة الله عليكم وما أنزل عليكم من الكتاب والحكمة يعظكم به واتقوا الله واعلموا أن الله بكل شيء عليم. ومخرج of vowel circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. E for kasra give e sound. The 2 counts long. Qal, qa is heavy. Fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Laqa, lam is light. Qaf is heavy. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala. 2 for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Mun for the circle ellipse attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni for kasra give e sound. Sa mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. A hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fa give hamsin fa. Ba short. Law lam ghain will get sifa of rakhawa. And ghain will be heavy. لون for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. A, hamza is sharp. Ja, for Jim has shidda. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ja, la, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hun, for the circle ellipse attached with noon, noon will get sifa kunna. Kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. F, give hamzin fa, for fatha upon jaws. La, 2 counts long. Ta, that is sharp, no flow of sound. For fatha upon jaws attached with the ain. Ain will get sifa of the wasut and it should be from middle part of your throat nicely. Lu, dad is heavy. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Lu, for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Hun, for the circle ellipse attached with noon, noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. And now, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. I, this idgham is with kunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yang, for fatha upon your jaws, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa has this ink sound, like as you are about to say ink, because ikhfa with kaf is little different. Yang, kih, for kasra give e sound. Kaf is light. For kasra give e sound, then attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa, and ha should be from middle part of your throat. Kih, na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. As, hamza is sharp. For fatha upon jaws attached with za, za will get sifa of rakhawa. It has safir and it is light. As well, makhraj of pause, circle in your lips, make it 2 counts long. Ja, Jim has shidda. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Hun, for the circle ellipse attached with noon, noon gets sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short with fatha. E, for kasra give e sound. The, 2 counts long. The, sharp sound. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ra is heavy. Lift your tongue up to make it heavy. Don't circle your lips ever. For them and make it 2 counts long. Low is heavy. And this waw is lean. When you're attaching this fatha with waw, you're making it soft. Low, bay. Ba is sharp, no flow of sound, and then it is attached with ya. This ya is lean, so make it soft when you're attaching fatha with ya. Bay, na. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Hum, for the circle ellipse, and then there is ikhfa shafawi. So, and the most important part of ikhfa is gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Hum, b for kasra give bil, for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ma, mim is light, ain is light. Ain will get sifa of tawassut and it should be from middle part of your throat. Uruf. Because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad aridless sukoon, and fa with sukoon will get sifa of rakhawa now. The 2 counts long. Li, for kasra give e sound. The, kaf is light. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. You, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. A, ain from your throat. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Vu, is heavy with it back for the circle lips, and the sound is short. Vu, b, for kasra give e sound. He, 2 counts long. Man, for fatha upon jaws, and then there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light and with the sound of ink, like you're about to say ink. Man, ka, 2 counts long, and kaf is light. Na, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ming, for kasra give e sound, and then this ikhfa is light. Minkum, for the circle ellipse attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut, and as you will touch mim, your lips should be in a straight position. You, for the circle ellipse attached with hamza, whenever any letter is attached with hamza will cut off the sound abruptly, because the makhraj of hamza will cut off the sound. You, for the circle ellipse, as you will touch hamza, your lips should be in a straight position. Mi, for kasra give e sound. Nu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Bil, for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La, lafz jalala is always long. He, for kasra give E sound, the sound is short. Well, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. So fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Yaw, waw is lean. So when you are attaching fatha with waw, you're making it soft. Mil, for kasra give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Two counts long. Khir, kha is heavy. For kasra give E sound attached with ra. Ra will get sifa. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon will make ra light, and it will get sifa of tawassut. Khir, the two counts long. Li, for kasra give E sound. Kum, for dhamma circle your lips attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. As, give rakhawa and safir on za. As, ka, two counts long, and kaf it light. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kum, for dhamma circle your lips attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. And as you will touch mim, your lips should be in a straight position. Wa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips, for fatha upon jaws. Ato, hamza is sharp, for fatha upon jaws attached with to. To will get sifa of qalqala. It has itbaq. It is heavy. Wa atharu, for fatha upon jaws and attach with a ra. Because of this fact, we are giving sukoon on ra, and this will bring tawassut on ra. And ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Haru, wa atharu. Wallahu, makhraj of pause, circling your lips, fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Wallah, lafz jalala is always long. Hu, for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Yeah, keep ya light, for fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mu, for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Wa, makhraj of waw, circling your lip, for fatha upon jaws. Hamza is sharp, for fatha upon jaws attached with noon. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You are keeping the tongue straight. Tum, for the ma circle lips attached with mim, you will get sifa of tawassut. And hukmuhu ithar. La, two counts long. Ta, ta is sharp, for fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. And ain should be from your throat, middle part of your throat. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Moon. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long into four. This is madarat li sukoon. وَإِذَا طَلَّقْتُمُ النِّسَاءَ فَبَلَغْنَ أَجَلَهُنَّ فَلَا تَعْضُلُوهُنَّ أَن يَنكِحْنَ أَزْوَاجَهُنَّ فلا تعضلوهن أن ينكحن أزواجهن إذا تراضوا بينهم بالمعروف. ذلك يوعظ به من كان منكم يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر. ذلكم أزكى لكم وأطهر. والله يعلم وأنتم لا تعلمون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.